So now let's see how we can insert pictures from Clipboard and insert screenshots inside of our Google Docs document right over here. So now what I'm going to do is first of all insert from Clipboard. So if you were to go on to any page right here and copy out an image, so let's say I'm going to copy out, right click, copy the image, it gets saved temporarily on your clipboard, that it gets saved on your memory. And if you were to go back right here, right click and paste, or if you were to press Ctrl V, then the picture will be there. So the picture that you copied out will be there just like that. Another way to actually insert screenshot, that is picture screenshot, is by pressing the print screen key on your keyboard. So I'm using Windows, so this works. This is a bit different for Mac where you have to press Alt Command Shift and then 3. So you have to go over here and press Ctrl V right here, and you can see right here that I have my screenshot inserted. In my case, I'm using 2 monitors, so you get screenshot of both. Alternatively, what you can also do is you can go around over here and then use the snipping tool. So you can go over here and over here in Windows, you have a snipping tool right here, screen snip, which you can use to take a screenshot of a particular area and then it gets copied onto your clipboard. So you can simply right click over here and paste it, and you can see that that particular part of the screenshot has been inserted just like that. And that is how you can insert pictures from your clipboards, and you can insert screenshot inside of your Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.